Hi, it's Shannon Brooks here at Plantation Bay. I'm standing in front of our Vienna home. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a split floor plan. Let's head inside and check it out. So here you have your brick paver driveway and walkway with a cute little courtyard entrance. And here you walk into the foyer. And here you have an open split floor plan. You have a large kitchen with a large island. Back here is the owner's suite. You have a his and hers closet. And then you walk into the owner's bathroom. Now here you also have sliding glass doors, which takes us out to the L-shaped lanai. Summer kitchen rough-in, and the third bathroom. Perfect lot for a pool. On the other side of the home, you have 2 guest bedrooms with a guest bath. And then the utility room with the utility tap. Please come check us out here at Plantation Bay to view this beautiful home. Bye guys!